Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, this is kingsfx trader right here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best scalping strategy, how to pick those small candlesticks and avoid being caught by spike. Okay, so this is an enhancement of my previous video. If you look this chart very well, you're supposed to be familiar with this setup. Okay, this is one of the best strategy with testimonies. Okay, in this my channel. All right, so I actually enhance the strategy in such a way that if you fail to check the trend, the second setup I have here is going to help you avoid being caught by spike. Okay, so using the previous strategy, okay, remember I will drop the link to the video in the description. So if you have not watched the first video, okay, you check out the video in the link. Okay, it will be down the description of this video. Okay, all right, so if you using the first strategy, the first video I posted about this scalping strategy, this is supposed to be your entry point right after the cross, after the black indicator line, okay, crosses the three green lines. Okay, so after that cross, that's our entry point somewhere here, right? So we're supposed to enter the trade after that. But people keep making money with this, all right? But I noticed that if you can see, if you are picking more than 10 candlestick, we had a spike. So we're supposed to pick between 5 to 10 candlesticks. So if you pick, let's count together: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if you are picking 10 candlesticks, it was the 10th candle that we had a spike. It's good that everything is playing out as I'm explaining it now. Okay, so how can we avoid spike entirely? Okay, or even if we are going to have spike, it's not going to be long. It will be very small spike, a very small spike that is not even up to two red candles. Okay, so if you look this spike right now, you can see that the spike actually covered about 3 to 4 candlesticks, right? Okay, so and that's exactly the reason why I'm creating this one again. Added another setup to help you confirm your entry. All right, to help you confirm your entry and to make sure that the spike will not actually come until you scalp 5 to 10 candlesticks. Okay, so remember, this is a product of back testing and also trading with this strategy and testimonies coming from people. So this is educational purposes. You must manage your risk. Okay, for the fact you are watching this video right now, it's not a guarantee that you are going to be making money every time with this strategy. Okay, so that's why risk management is important. Okay, so you should know by now that risk management is key. So how do you take this strategy now? How do you now take trade with this strategy? So before I proceed, remember, I won't be dropping a lot of strategies again on this channel because I have a lot of them here, like a lot of strategies both on scalping, how to catch spike, how to analyze, break down the chart, how to different patterns to trade and all that. Okay, I have a lot of strategies here already. So if you are still lagging behind, just head on to my website, okay, at kingsfx I'm going to share with you how to sign up with the site, how to register and start taking the course there. All right, the free contents are there, the paid one are there. I think it's better you go for the paid ones. Okay, so for no matter how I twist it, to tell you just watch the free ones and all that, but you should know it's important. If you really want to learn how to do this, you go for the paid ones. Okay, a lot of people were complaining of the payment issues there in the website. I think it's resolved now. Your payment, the international payment and everything is working well right now. So if you have been having payment issue in the website, you go and pay. All right, you can make your payments and take the cost. I took my time to create a crash course on synthetic indices. So everything about synthetic indices is there. A lot of strategies, a strategy well designed to suit your trading plan. All right, whether you're a scalper, you're a day trader, you actually maybe hold your trade for a long time, maybe swing trader, anything like that. So everything is a kind of arranged in such a way that it will help you improve. Okay, it will help you improve in your profitability. Okay, trading the forex market. Okay, a lot of strategies there. So I'm going to leave the video so that you go through the video and we come back and continue with this strategy. Okay, this is the masterclass. So if you want to enroll for the masterclass, you click on masterclass. Okay, so these are the courses I have free three free courses right here. Okay, you can see the first one, I have like 8 videos there. So if you click on any of them, you can start watching the videos immediately, like right now. So if I click on watch, so you can see from here the videos. The first one have a kind of the whole videos they are here. Okay, you have the first one, static indices, second one, understanding pips, lot size, the third one, concept of TP and SL, then how boom and crash works, valid and invalid lot sizes, then trading view setup. So that's for the first free video that we have here. Okay, so if you go back, you see the next video. Okay, another free content, about 4 videos right here, the intermediate section, where you are going to be having this market structure, the first video, second video, trend line, then psychology behind the price movement, support and resistance. Okay, how to validate support and resistance. Okay, this is one. Okay, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to validate support and resistance. You already know that not all the support and resistance will always work, okay, or hold the price. So you need to know the ones that will work and the ones that are likely going to be broken. So, and I have everything. So some of them I've given you this free, about 3 of them are locked, okay, for the paid version of this course. So if with this you can start trading. You don't need to get all the informations. Okay, that's why some informations are locked for people who actually want it. Okay, so now this is it for free. So look at another one where you have risk management. Inside here I have like 2 free strategies here. Okay, I have like 2 free strategies, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. All these things are strategies. Okay, simple break and retest strategies. All these things are free. You can start watching it immediately, like don't have to pay anything. Okay, so this live charts breakdown, okay, I also have set up right here. Okay, so that's for the free section. Okay, I have 3 free courses here. Remember, each of them have a lot of videos inside. Okay, so now after that you have the paid version. Of you can see this one is paid, and when the time I opened my dashboard, you discover that I paid for 1 video. Okay, so this one is $100. Okay, for the main time I said it's just for the because I just launched the course, I'm giving 50% discount. It's going back to the normal price in a month time. Okay, so you can see this one I've paid for it. If you check here, we have about 58 videos here. Okay, so kingsfx is not doing there's no way I will take my time to create anything that is not of standard. Okay, so I have about 58 videos here. Okay, this is the full course. Okay, so this is the full synthetic indices course with strategies inside. Okay, so if I click on this, we have a lot of videos right here. Okay, a lot of videos, guys, a lot of videos that will change your life. Okay, coming down here, you have the strategy I have here is not less than 5 different strategies working, tested. Okay, these are mind-blowing, guys. So I don't need to keep, I don't need to even shout about this course. I just wanted to, why I'm doing this is because people were thinking maybe they don't want to pay for anything. Maybe they had bad experience about courses before, so they don't want to pay, and they are seeing just 2 courses or 10 courses or just 1 hour course. This is 10 hours plus. Okay, 10 hours for you to take this course. It's not like you might ended up spending just 5 hours, because some of them from here, they are beginner. There's a beginner aspect of trading. Okay, so if you have been trading, you might know all this, like the beginner aspect. Okay, you then come down to advanced level or advanced concepts. You can start anywhere. Okay, basically once you pay for it, you have access to everything, so you can start from anywhere you want. Okay, this is the full course. Okay, so if you are already good, okay, you are just looking for strategies only. Okay, if you are just looking for only strategies, that's when you come to the second one, which is the strategy section. Is $69. Okay, the first one is the full course with the strategies. Okay, starting from beginners to intermediate aspects to advanced to strategies. All of them are encrypted here. Okay, all of them are there at the first course. Okay, the second one, which is $69, is just strategies alone. just giving you some clue about how the setup look like. Then you dive into the strategies, learn how to use them, and you start, making. So anyone you want, I wanted to make it in a way, or to structure the course in a way that you won't, if you already know about the beginner aspect of trading and intermediate aspect of trading, you can actually dive into strategies, just take them and start trading. But if you are a complete beginner, or you are just new, okay, just watch some videos about maybe support and resistance and all that, then you go and pay for the full course and take all of them. But if you have been trading but you are struggling with losses, then you can just pay for the strategies alone and take them and start making money. Okay. All right, guys, so now we are here back to this strategy. How do we use the strategy? How do we take this trade and avoid spikes? Now look at this one. The reason why I will not enter this trade, okay, and the reason is because my second setup, which is the confirmation setup, the conditions, okay, we are not met here. This is my second setup, okay. So check the video description to see the setup for this, my main chart. This is my main chart. All these, the green lines and the black lines, the setup will be in the description. The video, go to the video in the description of this particular one, okay. Go to the video there, watch the setup, come back, add the second setup. I'm only going to be sharing with you the second setup, which is the confirmation setup, so that I won't be taking much time in this video. Okay, so now look at the conditions. First, you have to wait. Okay, you have to wait first for a cross here. Normally the cross will happen here kind of first. Okay, you have to wait for this cross in here. Just pay close attention. You can see that black line and the blue line crosses the red line, right? And it's happening at level 70 or above level 70. That is over bot region, right? So we are good. Just make sure that the crossing is happening at level 70 or above level 70. Now, this is the secret. This is the most important thing you need to grab. Okay, you need to get this now. If you are trading and if you are scalping, all right, if you are scalping, please focus on boom 1000, okay, and crash 1000. This is the top secret I'm giving to you now. Okay, this is in the spirit of one of my last strategies. It doesn't mean I will be creating strategies here anyways on boom and crash, but it will not be that much again anymore. All right, so if you want to learn how to trade, how to do this thing yourself, go to my website, learn how to do this. All the secret, everything about catching spikes or scalping is there in the course. Okay, the course is very affordable. I made it in such a way that even if you don't have money, like you don't have enough money or a lot of money, you can still afford the courses. Okay, I have the free version and I have the paid ones. The paid ones is just two. One with strategies, okay, only strategies, and the second one is the full course with the strategies, okay, all together. So anyone that you can afford to pay, then pay for it and enjoy. You will come back to testify in this channel. I said if you take the course, come back to this channel and make a review about your learning and everything about the course. If you did not get the value of your money, come here, drop a comment, a bad comment about the course, so that others will know and avoid paying for rubbish. Okay, so you should know that this whatever I will take my time to create is something worth paying for. All right, so now first condition, make sure there's a cross. Make sure there's a cross right here. The black and the blue should cross the red. Okay, after that you also wait for a cross here. The black should cross the green lines. Once you see these two things happen, please enter your trade with proper risk management. Okay, enter your trade with proper. I have back tested this, I've traded this, and people have traded this. When you go to the video, go down and read the comments. Okay, in that video, just watch the first video you should watch. If you have not watched the video, go and watch the video in the description of this this particular video that you are watching. Go and watch the other video there. I'm going to leave the link there. After watching it, go to the comment section and see people's comment. Okay, and see if the video is worth giving a try or not. So if you watch the strategies and see this setup, then come back and set up this second one. I'm going to share with you the setup right now without wasting much time. Remember, the condition is just first wait for a cross. Okay, here you need to see the black and the blue cross the red line, okay, at over bot region, okay, for boom 1000. I said you should focus on boom 1000 and crash 1000, right? Then also wait for a cross here. The black should cross the green before you enter your trade. You go for a sell. So let me share with you the setup. So the second one is where I'm going to be focusing on, okay, this one, our window one right here, okay. So that's the setup I'm going to share with you, because I've already done the main chart, okay, in the previous video. Okay, so now the period relative strength index is the first thing. Period 14, I think it's by default anyways. Then apply to close, style 3 pixels. Then the level is level 30 and 70. Okay, this is where you add your levels, level 30 and 70, and you click on done. Then the next indicator you're going to add is MACD. Okay, you have the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA is 9. All right, then apply to close. The first one, which is main, okay, the main right here, okay, you have to change it to your background color. Okay, change the color to your background color. I'm using a white background, so my own is white. So if you're using dark background, you change it to black. All right, the signal, you can see 3 pixels red. Okay, so that's for MACD. Okay, you can screenshot this also. Then the next one is moving average 1, period 1, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Okay, the style is 3 pixels black. Okay, and you are done, guys. You are done. So that's our setup right here, which is our confirmation setup right here. So the one we had before is this one. Okay, so if you watch the video, you get the setup for this one. So that's exactly how to enter this trade and avoid being caught by spike. Okay, so that's exactly how to enter this trade and avoid being caught by spike. So you can, if you look here, you will see that this thing keep happening. So, but you know me, I don't like scrolling back. I always like to trade live, but I've not seen any opportunity to enter trade right now. Okay, so this one seems to be okay, it's not actually a good opportunity, but I'm still watching to see how the whole indicator plays out. Okay, for now. So, but look at this one right here. Okay, so if you still look here, you can see we have that cross and cross here. You enter your trade and pick between 5 to 10 candlestick. You can pick more than that, but I'm just trying to be conservative. Okay, so you pick 5 to 10 candlesticks. So look at this one also. The cross happened and this one happened. Then you enter your trade. Okay, you enter your trade after the crossing. Okay, you enter your trade after the crossing. Remember, normally the first one that will cross is this before this one crosses. Okay, then you enter your trade. So that's how these things work. Okay, you can see this crossing right here. So this is the kind of thing you should avoid when you see the crossing happening below level 70. Okay, for boom, please avoid entering that trade. You can see if you just take this trade right here, assuming you actually enter that trade right there, you might be picking about 6 or 7 candlesticks before you had that spike. So, and the spike is long, which is going to make you lose, be losing money after the profit you have made. You will lose all the profits and even be losing some of your percentage of your money, a little percentage of your money. So you wouldn't like to involve in such thing. Okay, so that's why it's important I create this enhancement video to help you make a lot of money scalping. All right, so you do this on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, that's where, okay, look at this one. I'm missing this one already. Okay, but I'm supposed to enter this trade. Okay, I think I need to enter this trade again. I'm buying this. So remember, it's a real account. We don't joke here. Okay, you can see it's a real account. So look at the perfect opportunity right here. Okay, so if you see such an opportunity, you enter your trade confidently, comfortably. The reason is because if you check the whole situation right here, we have the crossing here. Okay, even though the blue one, okay, crosses above 30. Okay, but my black one crosses below. Okay, so but if you want to trade confidently, I'll make sure that both the blue and the black is crossing below or at 30 level, okay? But I'm just taking this trade because I know it's always going to play out well. Most, in fact, it's likely going to play out well, or not like more than 80% of the time, okay? But you still need to manage your account. You still need to apply proper risk management, okay? So you can see this. I think on crash, you can see this one. Look at the kind of trade you should be looking for, the setup you should be looking for. The two lines crosses, okay? The red one at oversold region on crash. You can see that this one also crossed. You enter your trade and you enjoy. You can see how massively the price pushed to the upside. So once you see the perfect crossing at overbought like this one also, you can see the crossing here and the crossing here. Then you enter your trade and you pick it, okay? You pick up to 10. This is more than close to 20 candlesticks right here, okay? So this is it, guys. This is it. It keeps happening. It keeps happening. You can make a lot of money, okay? You can make a lot of money trading this. All right, you can see here. You can see here the crossing happened. The crossing happened, but this one have not actually crossed, okay? So you'll be able to avoid this spike. You're able to avoid this spike because you have to wait for this one to cross too, okay? So that's why you will not be in this trade when this spike will come. So the perfect place you could have entered this trade is after this crossing. You enter at that point. All right, so this strategy works well and I hope it makes you some money. Also remember, you have to learn how to trade properly, how to combine charts breakdown, you know, understanding price action and combining it with technical indicators in order to make a good entry or take only quality trades, okay? So for you to do that, don't forget, go to my website. I have the courses there, everything is there. So you watch the videos, everything is arranged in order to help you enhance your learning process. And after that, you come back to this channel, make a review about how you see the course, and other people will learn from your, maybe your action, or maybe from your mistake, anyone. So this is it, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this.